morning and welcome to Circle Time. Today is a very special day we're celebrating, and that's Earth Day. So instead of my community helpers today at Circle with me, I brought nature helpers to come visit. We've got Fiona the butterfly. Can you say good morning? Nora the frog. Can you give us a ribbon? And Finn the turtle, who likes to move slow. So there are helpers in nature and came to visit us today. For our morning warm-up, we're going to start off with the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So I need you to move to crisscross applesauce, hands in lap. Here we go. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. I need big suns. Out came the cider, dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Great job! So we have lots of fun things we're going to do today, and we're going to learn about something called recycling, reducing, and reusing. So in just a little bit, we're going to go over to the bakery with Nora, and we're going to help her recycle some of the things that she uses.
I'll bring my butterfly.
Yeah, you can bring Butterfly there. First, let's get going with our calendar. Do you guys remember what our letter this week is? A. And what's this large A called? The uppercase, very good. And the smaller A is called the lowercase. Great job. Can you guys give me one of the two sounds that A makes? The ah. And what else? Very good. All right, what's our month? April. And what letter does April start with? A, very good. So let's count that out 3 times together. You saw the butterfly that landed on your elbow? You look like the butterflies that were flying out there. All right, so friends at home, we're going to clap this out 3 times. Fiona, are you ready? Here we go. April. Great job. All right, what's next, Finn? Oh, no, weekend. Our counting fingers. Let's get these guys out. And if they're feeling sleepy, we need to wake and shake them. Our loud and proud voices, we are counting all the way to Earth Day. Are you guys ready? Remember, we're going to do this together. Friends at home, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Very good. Today is April Wednesday, the 22nd, and it's Earth Day. And next is Days of the Week. Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Saturday, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. We're going to read our story about Earth Day. We're going to do a quick craft, and then we're going to go visit Nora at the bakery to reduce, reuse, and recycle. All right, so let's move to crisscross applesauce. Hands in lap. We're going to turn our voices on low and our list of ears way up high. Very good. Our story is called The Earth Book. And one thing Miss Meg loves about this story is the illustrations, which are the pictures in this story. They're very colorful and bright, and they fill the whole page up. So it's very nice for your eyes to look at. You like it too? All right, let's begin. The Earth Book. And what is this? Do you guys know? Our Earth. This is the planet that we live on, and we are the community helpers for our planet to help take care about it. So you guys, hold on. Not only are we talking about community helpers, but you guys are the most important community helpers for your community by doing the 3 things we're going to talk about, which is recycling, reducing, and reusing. Are you guys ready? I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. How many owls are in this tree? You guys want to count them? 1, 2, 3. And how many stars do we see? 1, 2, 3. Very good.
That'll equal 6.
I turn off the faucet when I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because who here likes taking a bath? I love the fish. And I want the ocean to stay blue. Let's count the fish. And we're going to count this big fish too. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What color is this fish?
There's 11.
Green. Oh, and 11. I don't know if that's a fish or is that a
whale.
a whale. Very good. And
Oh,
what color is the
wow.
sun up here?
Yellow.
Very good. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite of my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be food enough for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. Does this remind you guys of snowman you might know? Who likes the warm sun? Frosty or Olaf. Does he like the warm sunshine? Here's an important part, how they're helping. I throw garbage in the trash cans and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Here's 10 ways that you can help the earth. 1 is turn off the lights. 2, recycle, and that's a big one. 3, save your leftovers. Number 4 is be nice to the worms. Number 5 is share a book. 6, plant a tree. 7, use both sides of paper. So when you color on a paper and you say, Mom or Dad, can I have some more? Flip it over, use the other side, fill all up before you get another one. So you get 2 pieces of paper out of 1. Save water. Number 9, clean up trash. And number 10, put my underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Does that sound like something that's going to help the earth? I think they were just making sure you guys were still listening. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Yes, Nora?
I think it's so you don't waste your money.
Oh, maybe.
All
right. We're going to move on to a really quick Earth Day craft that you guys can do at home, which is super simple. We're going to make a vase or a jar. This is something you can put flowers in or you can store stuff in. And also May Day is coming up, May 1st, where we give flowers to our friends. So if you guys want to make some jars to cut flowers to put in, to give friends, you guys can do that too.
I will give one to Nanny.
You can give one to your nanny. Yes, this is very simple and easy with stuff you guys should have at home. So all we need is a glass jar. You can use plastic if you don't have glass. Even the little baby food jars, spaghetti jars, just little pretty jars you guys find. And then next you're going to need some tissue paper. And this paper, when you guys have gifts that come in bags, it's just the thin paper up there. So ask your mom and dad if they can look. And the wrapping paper, if you have some of this, you're just going to take your paper and cut it up into squares, which I've done here. We need, oh, voice is off, so friends at home can hear. Just a little liquid glue. Gonna dump in here with some water. And I actually could not find a big paintbrush, so this is why these projects are so fun for you guys to do, because you can improvise. So if you can't find a big paintbrush, you can use a little paintbrush. I happen to find the sponge in my craft stuff, so I'm just going to use that. We just mix the glue and water. And then you guys are just gonna paint it on your jar. Just do little areas at a time. And stick the tissue paper on. And it's gonna look like a stained glass face when we're done. Do a little blue. Let's add a little bit more of our water and glue mixture. And then once you've done the whole jar with your tissue paper and it's dried a little bit, you're gonna go back with your water and glue solution and just kind of tap down the edges of it all and put a little bit more. And then you just let that dry and you've got a flower jar. All right. We are gonna head over to the bakery to help Miss Nora, our baker, with her recycling. So I'm gonna set this aside. And I picked some flowers this morning that I wanted to share with Baker Nora. She makes such delicious food, I wanted to say thank you. Good morning, Baker Nora. How are you this morning?
Good.
Good. I wanted to give you some flowers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just to say thank you for the wonderful job you do in our community. And I heard you had a lot of trash you needed help sorting. Do you want to show me where you keep your trash?
Here.
Oh, right down here. Oh, hold on. I'm going to have you come stand right over here. Yep, hold on. Oh, can I see that? Thank you. And I'll take this. So this is Baker Nora's trash, and we're going to help her recycle. Oh, hold on. So an easy way to recycle is to get different color bins and label them. So this one says paper to recycle, this one is glass and plastic to recycle, and this one called compost to recycle. So let's start off, oh, hold on. All right, hold on. Let's start off with our first thing. So this is a box, and it's made out of what?
Paper.
Paper, cardboard. So Nora, where would this go? Here, do you want to scoot over just so friends at home can see? Very good. All right, next we have some plastic. So remember, this is our paper, this is our glass and plastic, and this is our compost. Where would this go? Very good. And Nora, do you want to kind of explain to friends at home what compost is? You want to look over and tell them?
Compost is where you have your plates. Don't waste it. Put it in the compost bin.
Yeah, so instead of throwing your leftover food in the trash, you can put it in a compost bin, and this is really good fertilizer for gardens. If you guys have that, you can do a lot with compost. So Nora here has some cracked eggs from, did you crack an egg this morning baking? Eggshells. Where would those go? So remember, we have paper, glass and plastic, and compost. The compost, very good. Those are very good for our compost. Next we have, this has some plastic and aluminum. Where would this go?
It would go in the glass.
Right here. Very good.
Glass on the bottom.
Yep. And next we have
Paper.
paper. So where's that one gonna go? Do you guys see how fun and easy recycling is? You guys have gotten so good at sorting, and that's all it is going through labeling bins and just sorting where everything goes. Do you want to do one of the bananas? There you go. Next, Baker Nora has some banana peels. She told me earlier she was baking banana bread. So we're going to put her leftover banana peels in our compost. And there's bananas on there, so this sign helps us know. Next, this is an old measuring cup that Nora didn't need anymore and she threw out. But when we talked about recycling, reducing, do you guys remember what that third R was? Reusing. So we're going to reuse this old measuring cup she has. Oh, I'll take that. And we're going to make it just a flower vase for the flowers we bought her. So she doesn't have to throw it out. She can reuse it as something. And that middle R we talked about, the reducing. When you go to the store to reduce the amount of waste you have, bring your own bag instead of getting a paper bag from the store, and you guys can help reduce. All right, so let's go over real quick those 3 R's to help the earth. We recycle, we reduce by bringing our own stuff, and we reuse. So look around the house and ask your parents if there was some trash, maybe something you can pull out and make something out of it and reuse it. Thank you for joining us for this special Earth Day. Can you guys wave goodbye?
Bye.